everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. Let me try that again. Everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. Aha! I've got another haul, but this one was just a gift card that I spent on Amazon. And it was an Amazon gift card, weirdly enough. Let's Resin. I first got... Now, somebody had asked me on the wands if all of the crystals were real crystals or whether they were resin. So far, they've all been real crystals. Although I do have some of these, weirdly enough, a little smaller set. But these are, sorry for all the crinkling. These are the little crystal points. So the ones I already had were like, yeah, like this. Where they had a point on both ends, which is why I didn't use them so far. But these have a flat end. So perfect. Plus they have the little nib for the hole in the crystal, which again is perfect. So all sizes. I love this one. So cute. Kind of flat on the bottom. It's got the hole, or the nib for the hole. Those would be fun. Fun, fun, fun. Even like this one. After you take the crystal out while it's still soft, you could just cut that end off. Where the hole will still be there, but it'll have a flatter bottom. So it'll glue down better. But these are just really cute. And it's got gold and silver. And just every crystal point mold you could imagine. Showing you. So that is those. Those are fun. We'll do a tutorial with some of these. How that'll fit back in the box, I have no idea. And then I've had my eye on this for a while, so I just couldn't give weird things that molds are something I'm kind of weird about. I don't like to spend money on them. Actually, I'd rather spend the money on the silicone and pour my own. Most of the time. But I do like these little container molds. This one in particular is reminds me of the honey pot. That's what it kind of is sold as, a honey pot. Or just a trinket pot. A Santa's bag, I've seen that too. But just really cute. So you'd pour the resin until it's level with the bottom. Let it set. And of course you could pour several times, pour different colors. You can pour different, put different, in the, different items, crystals, whatever, in the mold. I'm going somewhere with that. And then pour the cap, which of course has a wavy. It's so cool. Pour it level with resin as well. And it is a screw cap that will screw on. It's gonna be so cute. I don't have a lot of molds of this type of thing. Keychains, stuff like that, fridge magnets. I got a lot of that kind of thing, but nothing like this, so we'll give this one a go. Fun. Alright, that's all I have. Not sure if this will be up today, or this may be the first video for next year. I've got an Amazon shop link, actually where I got these. I'll link these below. The rest of my social media links are listed below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.